tell me about the best workouts. Let me answer that really quickly right now. All right, there's 12 exercises that I do. Literally like 95% of all of my workouts right now are 12 exercises. I purposely doing it as an experiment to see how my body's gonna respond. And they are push-ups, pull-ups, burpees, or actually dips and burpees, handstand push-ups or pike, squats, lunges, leg raises, running in place, kicking, striking, jumping, and plank. It'll be like 14 exercises. And that's because if I don't have a place to do pull-ups, I do prone cobra. That's where you lay on your stomach and then you extend your arms out and then you kind of go out like that. And you do a 4-second count. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. You come up for a sec, hold 2, and then come back together. Really good for your scapula, for your rear delts, for middle of your back. I replace that for pull-ups when I don't do pull-ups. I do burpees instead of doing dips. Sometimes that's a replacement. Those are it. Nothing fancy, man. I've been able to get into really good shape right now, just doing those things, So there goes one question answered. All right, see you guys.